This video was done by me about 10 years ago, trying Crystal Clear 550 and Safe Restore, now called OneRestore. Also, you will see that we didn't wear any sort of breathing PPE, which I would not advise. Above all, no matter what chemicals you are using, you should always exercise caution and wear appropriate clothing accompanied by goggles and gloves, etc. Protecting yourself from all chemicals should always be number one.
Yeah.
Okay, first I'm going to just wash it. As you can see, it's just sort of took it off. I'll just squeegee this section and I can feel like that. And now I'll get the Safe Restore, just the Safe Restore, just mild, and go on it, and I'll just see if there's any difference. Just go over that. Mind you, this is only a diluted thing. I'll just get my washer, go over there, and yeah, it just hasn't took it off. Stop. Okay, as you can see, I'm putting the Crystal Clear. I'm just doing a test patch. As you can see, I'm just rubbing it in with this, and I'll just see how this goes. Right, now, you get the watered down scrubber, and then you clean it off. As you can see, the bottom there, I've done it a couple of times. It does make a little bit of a difference. It's got majority of it off. I've done it a couple of times with Crystal Clear 550, and it seemed to have done the job somewhat. I suppose if I persist, it would probably may work better. It's hard to say at this stage.